The foreground service for camera is used to click selfie or photo of intruders who unsuccessfully unlock the phone. The features such as intruder face capture, intruder environment detection, capture on device unlock, use the camera while the app is in foreground, using foreground service, or still present in the memory process. So the foreground service for camera is used to capture the face of a person who unsuccessfully tries to unlock the phone by entering wrong pin. And if this environment detection option is on, if the environment detection option is on, then the others such as capture on device unlock and environment detection will capture the user's photograph, and the mail will be sent to the user on the registered Gmail, and also it will be added for backup in the drive. So the use of the foreground service camera is to capture the photo of intruder in the environment, and also the person who successfully unlocks. If the features are turned on by user, these are optional. It does not. This app does not automatically start the camera and start recording anything like that. The user has complete control. So the switch and they can be turned on and off, and similarly, respectively, the camera is feature is turned on and only triggered when a wrong password is required or the phone is unlocked.